everything's relative to the capo. So in order to play that, you're gonna have your pointer finger on the 4th fret of the A string and your ring finger on the 5th fret of the B string and your middle finger on the 4th fret of the E string. That's your first chord shape. You're gonna go, and then you're gonna slide your pointer down to the 2nd fret of the A string. And you're gonna leave your ring finger on the 4th fret of the B string and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the E string. And then basically drop everything and play open on the A string, and your pointer finger will be on the 2nd fret of the B string. And then let go of that. And slide it up. So altogether it should sound like this, slower. And I guess the hard part that I found was when you are trying to switch between the strings. It's kind of a jump. So you have to skip these two strings. So that'll take a little practice. The first time I played it, I was playing this a lot. Right, it's hitting that string, but you gotta skip these two and jump up to the B string. Just like that.